Welcome to our tutorial on positioning components. We're going to learn how to use the assembly sketch to position components. I've got my first component here. First, I'm going to right-click and select Float. Now we'll select this edge and this line and click Accept. And let's select this line and this edge and click Accept. Let's cancel out of the Mate tool. Next, let's press Ctrl and drag in our second component into this assembly. We'll select this edge and now let's Ctrl select this line. Activate the Mate command again. Let's accept this mate. And we'll select this edge and this line and accept. Okay, let's cancel out of the Mate Manager. Now we're going to right-click and select Edit Sketch. Let's change this dimension to, let's say, 80 millimeters. Click OK. And exit our sketch. The position of our component has changed. Let's insert a plane. We'll offset it from the top plane by 10 millimeters. Now let's right-click on Sketch 1. Select Edit Sketch Plane. Oops, let's cancel out of that. I've got to move Plane 1 above Sketch 1 first. Okay. Let's right-click, Edit Sketch Plane. Okay. As a result, the position of components 1 and 2 has changed again. And this concludes our tutorial on positioning components with an assembly sketch.